Back in the kitchen, and tonight I am cooking one pot. My boyfriend said he wants some dumpling, so I make dumpling, but I gonna boil it in a coconut milk. I gonna add in pumpkin, I gonna add mushrooms, I gonna season it up with ginger. Let's go. So we wash and cut up all of the vegetables and seasonings first, and when you see me go for the Dutch pot, you know say I know not normal. Big cooking. Anything I cook, I always say food not only supposed to taste good, but it also needs to be good for you. So instead of using all-purpose flour for the dumpling, I'm going to be using spelt flour. And dumpling easy for make if you ask me, you just mix up your salt with your flour and add your water and knead it into a nice dough, and that is it. Take the girl out of Jamaica, but you can't take Jamaica out of this girl. Now you can shape it up how you want, but we like cartwheel dumpling around here. And yes, I added mushroom, but it's not a must, you don't have to. As you can see, I like my food well cooked down, well seasoned up good. And of course, we can't leave out the pepper. If we don't have a scotchy, we use habanero. And when this done cooked down now, when I tell you my man want lick every finger and eat all the plate too. Now run come to the comments and tell me how much dumpling you want in your plate, because don't say me never warn you. What stay too long, serve too master. If you know, you know. The food's sweet, man. Food sweet. Girl can cook.